dumb fucking with a crumb. Ex bitch dump a crumb on me, wow. I ain't never really into talking down. Like is you serious?
Murder she Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it, yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston, and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I got protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to be, you're comfortable. I know, no. I know, I can't let you go. I know. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it, yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
8 o'clock in the morning. Now I'm entering my bed. Had a few dreams about you. I can't tell you what we did. I expected to see you on your morning run again. No, I shouldn't be watching. 'Cause every time I feel the pain, you told me it was over, that we'd be together soon. Was this before or after? You told me to leave the room. I used to think we'd make it far. It turned out that we had such a shame that we weren't the same at all.
Protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not a stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to believe it, you're comfortable. I know, no, I know, I can't let you go. I know. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah, Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year.